Next question, question 43. A two-digit number is reversed. The larger of the two number is divided by the smaller one. What is the largest possible remainder? So we have a two-digit number, say xy. So on reversal, we get yx. And say xy is the larger among the two numbers. So xy is divided by yx, and we get a remainder, say r. So that means that implies xy is equal to p times yx plus r, right? P is an integer, so yx into p plus r. Xy is in this form and r is the remainder. We need to find xy and yx such that this r is the largest, so remainder is the largest. So when we divide the larger number with the smaller number, we get the largest remainder. So if we look at this equation, xy is equal to p into yx plus r, we can make some inference from this equation. What are the inferences? R will be less than yx. That is the first inference. R will be less than yx. If r was not less than yx, then we could have wrote p plus 1 yx plus r. So in this formula, r will be always less than yx. And since we need largest r, xy will be probably large, very large. Xy will be also large. Is it necessary? Not necessarily, but definitely xy is greater than so much greater than yx and r, right? So p into yx plus r. So xy will be greater than yx and greater than r. So that is one condition. And if you think a large number for xy, that is something greater than 90 and all, to get a large, so we'll just randomly choose 90, something a large number. It has to be two digit, so 90 plus should be the number. So on reversal we get 9 as the other number, so that is not two digit, so that is not possible. So let's take 91. Just to explain the concept, let's take 91. So we get 19. So such cases will not result in a large integer. The reason being, this is a very small number. So p into 19 will result in a number close to 91, and remainder will be small. And as I said, r will be less than yx, r will be less than 19. So remainder will be less than 19. So we will not get large remainder. So if you look at the options, there is an option 45. So whether, if that is true, this is the largest number in the options. If 45 is a remainder, if the 45 is a remainder, yx has to be greater than 45. If at all there is a number which satisfies this condition and r is 45, it means yx has to be greater than 45. So the number what are the numbers greater than 45? 46 is greater than 45, 47 is greater than 45, but on reversal it only gives 64, and 47 reversal gives 74. As you can see, this number is increasing, and this is not increasing as much, so remainder will be larger. So 48, if you take 84 is the number, it's increasing, and 49 if you take 94 is the remainder. 94 is the reversed number. If you take 94 and 49. If you check, 49 into 2 is greater than 94. So it one will so it will be 1 and 49, and if you take remainder we get 45. You get 45 as a remainder for this case, 49 and 94. 49 and 94, 49 and 94, remainder is 45. So as you can see, we found out two numbers where remainder is 45, D. So option D is correct. We need the larger of the two numbers, the largest possible remainder. So 45 is the largest possible remainder we got. Will there be a remainder that is greater than 45? That is a question. So if you see 49 reversal gives 94, and we can think about what about when it comes 95, 96 and all. So we'll just check one more, 95. So 59 and 95. So as you can see, 59 and 95, if you take 95 by 59, again 1 will come, 59, and this number got increased. 49 for 49, this number was much smaller and remainder was larger. So here, since it is 59, when we take the remainder, it becomes 36, right? 36, or remainder got reduced. So for 59 and 96, 69 and all, this number got very large. So those numbers won't give a remainder greater than 45. So 49 is the largest such number we can find, so that its reversed number is a large number, and we will get a remainder very large. So 45. So that is the logic I applied here. So if you haven't seen such a question before prior to the exam, it will confuse you, and the only possibility you can do is check out whether check the options and think whether that option can be an answer. So if 45 can be an answer, what needs to be the case? If 45 is the remainder, that means yx has to be greater than 45. So there are only few options that we need to check out, and we will soon find out that 45 can indeed be the remainder for these 49 and 94. So if you think about what is happening and how that remainder will be large, that we need this number to be the larger xy to be very large and yx to be large, but not larger than xy by 2. We'll get that logic. That is 90. If you take 91, this number should be less than 91 by 2. Greater than 91 by 2. That is, it should be at least 46. So that 46 into 2 will be 90. 46 into 2 won't come. Only 46 into 1 comes. So 46, and we'll get a large remainder. So that logic you have to get. So as you practice more and more questions, you will get such logics. I hope you understood this question. If there is any other easy way to solve this, do comment under this video. I'll try to make a new video. If I find any better logic, I will definitely do a newer video for the students. So this is what I came up with. Maybe there will be better solutions. If you know any such solutions, do comment. Okay, so solution to question 43 is D, 45.